Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Exit Log for Roblox. And if you want to try Exit Log with a 1 year and 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. So first things first, we have to open our application and log into your account. And in order to activate it, we have to toggle it on the green slider on the corner. And before adding Roblox, let's configure the general settings here. And under the optimization options, we have to enable the smart optimization and use dual routes. These features help ExitLog find a faster and more stable connection while also reducing packet loss. And for route analysis optimization protocol, I'm using UDP TCP because it analyzes both UDP and TCP traffic to help ExitLog find the best available route. However, if you prefer, you can also leave it on automatic, which is the default and recommended setting in newer version of ExitLog. And next, leave the IP version for route analysis set to on automatic and keep the redirection method on automatic. Once you finish, just return to the library section. And now you can search for the Roblox. Select the game. So just click on the server section, and if automatic server selection is available, leave it on automatic. ExitLog will automatically choose the fastest and most stable route based on your current network condition. And if you want to include your optimize, we have to click the Asia and click it before the starting the Roblox. This refreshes your routing and checks for an ever better connection. Wait for it to analyze. Now you can click the apply routes and wait for the optimization to finish. Once the routes have been applied, you can launch the Roblox and join any experience you want to play. While you're in game, you should notice a more stable connection, fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother gameplay, especially in competitive games and experiences with lots of players. And now your Roblox connection is now optimized with ExitLog. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave and like, subscribe for more ExitLog tutorials, gaming guides, and optimization tips. If you want to try ExitLog with a 1 year and 50% discount, be sure to check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.